Hi there, so hope you guys are doing well, hope you guys are healthy. We have the samurai burger. So this is a reintroduction by McDonald's. For me personally, I don't remember trying the samurai burger, so it's going to be my first time trying it. I don't think so I've had or tried samurai burger before. Okay, so we got the beef as well as the chicken. Beef. See there? Beef and chicken. Okay, let's do this. You know what? Do you want a close up? Just bring you here. Let's do a quick close up. Okay. Here, I think you have your mayo, you have a teriyaki sauce, and your patty. And your lettuce there. And this guy here is empty. Okay. Let's put this aside. Let's open up the beef. I think same stuff as well. You have a beef patty. So here's empty beef patty. You have your mayo, you have your lettuce. So the same thing in both, it's just a different patty. Sorry. Let's take a bite. Apparently a lot of people love this samurai burger. So let me take. Yep. Let's try this. I like the sauce. The sauce, the teriyaki sauce, and the mayo, I think it goes well together. With the beef patty, of course. Another bite. Yummy. When I heard the teriyaki sauce, right, I thought it was going to be overly sweet, but it's not. It has the sweetness, subtle. It has nice savory as well. Let me try the sauce. Yeah, it definitely has the sweetness. So this is the, yeah, this is the chicken. Alright. Let's get a bite from here. Oh, good stuff. Very simple, but tasty burger. And if you're someone who don't like spicy stuff, right, this will definitely work. If I have to choose, I'd definitely go for the beef. Not to say chicken is not nice, both are equally good, but I've always preferred beef, like beef burger, right? So I definitely go for beef burger if I have to choose one. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next.